welcome. My name is Della Koenig. I work for the Department of Transportation in the Southwest region. Today, I will introduce you to our reconstruction project on Highway 140. Before we begin, let me introduce you to the project staff. I am the project design engineer for this project. Chris Hazard is the project manager, and Kurt Johnson is our project supervisor. In 2019, an emergency project was completed on Highway 140 due to severe deterioration after the winter of 2018. This work was done to maintain the highway's functionality until a reconstruction project could be completed in 2024. This project will address that deterioration. The reconstruction project ID is 3320-0270, Illinois state line to the village of Clinton. The construction project will begin 35 feet east of State Line Road, as shown on the bottom portion of the map to our right. It will end 0.2 of a mile south of Delco Drive, as shown at the top portion of the map. The total project length is 4 miles. The existing conditions of the roadway are shown in the cross-section viewed below. There are 2 12-foot lanes with 6-foot shoulders, 3 of which are paved. Along the length of the project, there are 9 culvert pipes that cross under the roadway and 2 box culverts which allow for streams to pass through. The annual daily traffic for ADT is 3,070 to 3,450 vehicles, 16.6% of which are trucks. Now let's look at the proposed section. You will see that the lane widths and overall shoulder widths will remain the same. However, the paved portion of the shoulder will increase to 5 feet from the existing 3 feet. This shoulder widening will allow for construction of shoulder rumble strips. Center line rumble strips will also be added for improved safety. Additional larger aggregate, referred to as slick crush material, will be placed under the roadway to aid in drainage and stabilize the roadbed. 4 intersections along Highway 140 will be improved. The intersection at Highway 67 will become a roundabout. Teague Road intersection will have larger turning radii and curb and gutter. County Road P will have new turn lanes, improved radii, and curb and gutter. Lakeshore Road intersection will have improved radii and curb and gutter. Why a roundabout, you may ask? Crashes resulting from failure to yield are still a problem despite installation of overhead stop signs and rumble strips on State Highway 67. This crash rate is twice the state average for similar intersections, leading it to be one of the top 25 crash locations on Southwest Wisconsin state highways. The solution to reduce the number of crashes here is to build a roundabout at this intersection. The Department of Transportation will receive funding for construction of the roundabout through a federal highway safety improvement program called HISIP. The intersection of Teague Road will have larger turning radii and curb and gutter as seen in the image to the right. The intersection with County Road P will be shifted to the northwest to minimize conflicts with American Transmission Company's lines. We'll also have larger turning radii with curb and gutter. It is more cost-effective to move the roadway than to have ATC move their transmission lines. The wood ATC poles running north on the west side of Highway 140 are easier to move than the steel poles on the east side. The wood pole in the southwest corner will be moved, but the steel pole in the southeast corner will remain in its current location. The intersection with Lakeshore Road will also have larger turning radii and curb and gutter. To address the drainage, all 9 cross culverts will be replaced. There are also 2 large box culverts that allow for streams to cross under the roadway that will be replaced with a single span bridge. Improving the ditches will also improve drainage and help water flow away from the roadway. This will improve the structural stability and extend the life of the roadway. To achieve these goals, there will be some right-of-way required. The new right-of-way limits are being determined, and will be completed in 2021. Highway 140 will be closed during construction. A detour route will be provided and coordinated with Illinois Department of Transportation. During construction, local and emergency vehicle access will be maintained as best as possible. The project will be open for bid on November 14th of 2023. Construction is expected to take place during 2024 and will take the full construction season to complete. Thank you for viewing this presentation. Stay safe.